Ladies, we're too classy to argue with any other female over a man. Let me just say, too classy for that. And it doesn't mean that you have to dress up. Even if you're working at a farm, you're up on a garbage truck, you're selling a market. Yes, classy is not depicted by the clothes that you wear. Classy is depicted by how you conduct yourself. The words that will come out of your mouth. You understand me? When certain situations arise, how you deal with them. So on that note, understand this. You see, if a man want go on, goody just make him go on. If you did your best to keep him in that relationship and him left, well, ladies say, if him left, it's not your fault. You understand? Make him go on. Sometimes when some things happen, things like this, you have to consider yourself, blessed. Consider the situation a blessing. You understand me? I mean, who still walks around with a 3310? You do? See, me no walk around with that. Nobody has a 3310. So when a man come from Wappy Kill, fill up from Saltfish, a single old stop. You understand me? And the next girl just swoops him like when Gilbert they come and take out everybody's zinc. Just consider it, say, you lose a 3310 and you upgrade to an iPhone. And so you have to look on things. Just consider, say, you have this old Nissan Sunny or this old Suzuki Swift, you have time for upgrading to one 2019 Benz. And so you have to look on certain situations. Do not be going around confronting other female where you take on my man from me or see my man there. No, see, these are questions where you can ask the man itself, you understand me? Do not attack the person, attack the problem, which in this case is your man. Your man is the person and the problem. He's playing two variables. So talk to him. Nobody left all the way, take bus, call somebody else, God he knows where. If you go find out why she take your man, ask your man right there and then. You understand me? And if him can't answer you, and if him can't give you a proper explanation, then you know say it's time to go. Get rid of that old phone. Get an upgrade. Another thing is, this is a way to look at certain relationships. Consider some of them leases. You understand me? So after a while the lease will expire. You understand me? Because you don't own the property. So after a while, it's no longer yours. It's no longer in your possession. I see if you consider somebody in a relationship here. You understand me? So when the man gone, just consider it a lease. Next time if you want to keep the man, finance the man then. You see, life is such a risk and it's such a gamble. You don't own anything. So when the man go on, as me say, make him go on. Nobody go demean yourself and behave in this derogatory way. Your next woman a fight pan ground and why the man sit up on the sideline and look like some a spectator. No. You are worth more than that. You are classy. Be conservative with your classiness. You understand me? Don't let the next woman dry out. And we should be building each other as women as opposed to be tearing each other down over one single subject, over one dirty man. Enough of them. They're not even have no good performance. And I saw them walk around and there with Joe, Jill and everybody else. Understand me? That's how walk on a broadcast them disability. Make them go on that. Them look pity. You are right. Take the time for work on yourself. You understand me? Take the time to work on you. Intrinsically and just work on you. Trust me, you'd be surprised to see how you start glow. You ever rub baby oil, and baby skin so that the baby does shine? I saw someone start glowing when someone walk out on a life, When the garbage take itself out, someone start glowing. You understand me? We not, as females, we're taking a stance. We're not arguing with no next female over no man. If you can't talk to the man about the next female, make the two of them go on. And then we'll find out the problem sooner or later for themselves. It's not your responsibility to be going around trying to attack another female and ask her why she take your man. You understand me? And I do understand that some of these females, they have no class whatsoever. They don't have a problem breaking up a happy home. You understand me? Some of them are determined because when them see a man treat you, them determined to they want a treatment there. It's fine. Make the 3310 go on, goody, get an iPhone or a Note 10. Okay?